today own. But for the first time for us, it can't be like say this week we not to quarrel. It be like say this travel when we say Uncle be travel. This wife when they find, he go continue to define her. Because Uncle be the always they put me. See me, I don't they add weight just because say since Monday Uncle be never come.
I asked when I come.
You talk am now.
Am.
Make we can't talk today own.
Yeah.
The position where you dey, ED, na very big position, and your organization, F1. It get everything to do with our environment, the restoration that is to carry and come back to the way when we say the thing there before, that is the milk and honey when the thing been there before the thing come they spoil.
Very well.
I go like ask you say we go talk about the UNEP report before
yes.
But before that UNEP report I go like make you first just talk about wetin be the thing when we say after you can't look finish you can't decide say now the environment now him I won't come begin the chook eye on top. If I wetin sweet you for environment, as in wetin make you they talk about environment, because me I know say if we dey talk about the environment, no be waiting make I use the local language now. When we waiting get profit, make I talk profit onto pocket. Say this thing when they fight for say make we get better environment. Waiting they go give am. Shey him be farmer, you want to plant vegetable. Wetin be the thing wey motivate you?
Thank you very much, Chukwudi. If you check all my trends, you go know say not be now I begin the shook eye for this environment.
You don't dey since.
Environment na critical component of survival of man. By training, I be environmental resource manager, and looking at the record of environmental development where we get for Nigeria. Now one of the least developed areas. So we take them upon ourselves to come up with our environmental stewardship group, Eco Restoration Foundation of Nigeria, to fit look, as you talk, how best possible Nigeria go fit conserve areas where they vulnerable. That's areas where we say, for one reason or the other, environment, when it come up for the man for the place not go fit survive.
True.
Because my brother, environmental services where God put for our land, put for our air, put for our water, man, the common man like me and you go take survive.
Very true.
Because those ecosystem services, them where we they call things where we they call ecosystem services, like fish for water, we go feed fish, take shop. Like farm, now there we go feed plant something, take grow. So if all this natural endowment when God give us, apart from oil, if we not use them well, and if the ones when we don't already destroy from production practices for oil industry, like this oil spill and the rest, we go carry us come to UNEP report. If the issue of climate change, where they let sea level they rise, it could cause erosion, they shop the area. If the issue of climate change, where they let desertification, where desert go, they shop, enter inside
where people
land,
live,
where people they live, they drive a whole city. All those kind of things, they bring insecurity.
True.
And we don't look sit down. We don't look expert opinion for the last 100 years about Nigeria. We can't still look expert opinion for the next 100 years. We know say without protection of environment, Nigeria not go fit survive.
Things go spoil.
Because Nigeria not go fit survive. Not be say we just cry alarm. Now the true talk. If you don't know where you they go, at least you go know where you they come from.
True.
As we look this data, now we say make we sit down, gidigba now, begin to shout. Government to make everybody, company, industry, NGO, donors, foreign partner, make everybody sit down. Help us beg Nigeria, say our ecosystem now go fit make Nigeria survive. Before I drop that part, I just want to create example for our viewers to be understand the reason of this ecosystem restoration. Like now, we get 11 states for northern Nigeria. When desert, they pursue. Whoa.
That's the desert don't they enter where people they live.
Desert
don't they chop land.
Desert don't drive full communities. Come out. So the people there, where they carry malu up and down for there. They come middle belts. Now make we they get all this crisis for Plateau, for Benue.
Between farmers
and
cattle
that's an environmental issue, insecurity. Now for south, we get coastal erosion. The rate at which we take they lose many football field. That is, I mean, the size of football field, large area to coastal erosion. My brother, if you know, the reason why we know they know for Nigeria, be say apart from Lagos, where we say we near the water where we see them. All the other 7 coastal states, the city center, dey far from the coastline. So na only fishermen and local community people
Go
na
know.
im dey stay there. Government wey suppose put policies no dey know. So we look am say as an environmental stewardship group, enough of say we dey do environmentalism for classroom. Make we begin dey go for the street, dey ring the bell.
So that everybody go know.
Because if you imagine say Nigeria lose 11 states to desert encroachment, then you can imagine say Nigeria lose 8 states to coastal erosion. It means say all we 170 million Nigerians, and some people say Nigeria will soon be 500 million. All we 500 million in the next 50 years.
We go get where to stay.
We go dey stay between 17 states. Now imagine all the people for 11 states for north. They fight for plateau side, for middle belt. Then imagine all the 8 states for coastal area, where they fight for southeast, fight for southwest. Issues of dweller, settler, indigene, non-indigene.
You come begin, they come out.
My brother, Nigeria don't finish.
Oga Prince, you don't talk finish for that matter. And you been start with example, say, for 11 states for the north. So this one also say the issue of environment, self. Not be only, because most times when we talk about the environment, people go just go Niger Delta. Not be only Niger Delta. You even can give example, enter inside the south, where we say we get people from the southwest, we even get people from the southeast.
Yeah, gully erosion and all those
So
things.
this one a problem when we say they affect everybody.
Nigeria, they
if
problem.
we can't begin the page, say, I bet now their problem no concern us, we go find ourselves for trouble. We'll go enter the next one, the UNEP report, the United Nations Environmental Program. For a very long time, after the first, when they come begin the chook instrument inside ground, they come on oil for Oloibiri. We can see, say, it be like, say, our environment, things don't they upside down. Make I break them down so that we go understand. When Miss Anki Obrix come here, she she beat her chest, say, she senior Nigeria with 8 years. Now, for an 8-year-old girl, when go stand for waterside, they look down, they see the under, they see fish, they swim. They see plants, they groove for soil. Then all of a sudden, because of say people, they come on oil, the thing can't they change color, the thing can't they spoil, the thing can't they bad. And we don't get successive governments when we say they don't do anything about them. That one. We can't get people when we say they rise up. Nobody go forget Ken Saro-Wiwa. When we say he even giving life just because of say what in the fight for the people, make people know, make bad thing, no spoil everybody. Now the question when I get to ask now say, first and foremost, you think say all this because government don't promise us, they go look and say, Ogoni land. If I want to make Ogoni popular now because of that struggle, say our land, we no fit farm, we no fit do anything. Different successive governments don't promise say we go clean them, but it can't be like say they no clean them or the other important things just come out, they no fit do them. Now we don't get the UNEP reports. The UNEP report, and on the 5th of August, President Muhammadu Buhari come approve am. Not be saying na he just carry and come. The thing don't dey right from time, or people don't dey look say we do am, but he no approve am now. With the way when we say government don't dey whine us for the past, say they promise us, they no do, they promise us, they no do. You think say anything go come out of this one?
Thank you, Chukwudi.
Based on your experience,
yes,
as person when sabi inside.
I dey hit the matter. I dey very happy say you highlight the fact to Nigerians say the issue of environment not be one side of the country they affect.
True.
Now the whole Nigeria, both north, east, south,
West,
we all get
everywhere.
We get where it dey pain us. I want quickly add say, and the right time we will fit to promote environmental security for Nigeria and eco restoration generally. Now we will still get oil money. Because when oil money don't finish, environment don't scatter. Then that time, whether you call a UNEP report or you call a Great Green Wall project to stop the certification, money not go dey
At all.
to fund them. Going back to the issue of the oil spills then for the Niger Delta, the UNEP report, and the action of the current government, I want to first before I comment anything further, say the entire coastal area of Nigeria, the Ogoni people, and the Niger Delta of Nigeria appreciate President Muhammadu Buhari for that ogbonge action he take as the UNEP people come visit him. The UNEP report, like you talk, not be say they just do them now.
It don't
dey cupboard as many government committee, government report they did.
Cobwebs don't they grow on top.
And at the end of the day, one body, the former President Jonathan, inaugurate one body where they call IREP, which is the Hydrocarbon Pollution Cleanup, like a cleanup agency. And now, the fact say President Muhammadu Buhari receive those visitors, give official commitment, mobilize $10 million commitment on the spot. It shows say the man na green president. It shows say the man, that farmer wey they do for Daura, wey they rain cattle, wey they see the way desert they approach, wey they support this great green wall project, which is the 15-kilometer wide green belt across the 11 states for desertification. It shows say na equal opportunity to save Nigeria. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari, they give both the north and the south.
Everybody.
So the actions when in take regarding this UNEP report, many of us view them initially as with skepticism. Like we they look at with one eye say,
una they watch.
Una they watch. We they watch. At the end of the day, the next few steps, like the setting up of the governing council, the mobilization of the money, and so on and so forth, make us come really
una mind come down.
Come take and say, this man really serious.
He be like say, oh.
Yeah, he be me. I don't pass. He be like say now. I see the action.
You don't get faith.
I don't get faith.
Correct.
And he who get little faith, self go fit move mountain. I believe say with the small faith wey President Muhammadu Buhari don show the coastal areas and the Niger Delta. By the time we carry on with the report and recommendation of that UNEP report, that UNEP report na report when they spend plenty money, Shell and federal government under Jonathan, President Jonathan, former President Jonathan, spend plenty money on top am. At the end of the day, going forward from where the President Muhammadu Buhari don't let us start. Once he appoint ministers, once the new GMD of NNPC, because the IREP we want implement the UNEP report now reporting to the Ministry of Petroleum Resources. So we believe say all this the new GMD Kashishuku, the president steps and all stakeholders for the region go fit use the Ogoni cleanup as a gateway.
True.
Before I close that matter for that discussion, I want to say we when the coastal areas we not look the UNEP report as for Ogoni alone. There is so much to be done.
So many things there inside.
So many oil spills where they happen for Niger Delta every other day. So they're going to report now prototype to just make us know say before the environment go repair finish according to the report, it go take another 20 to 30 years. They
don't born picking when all reach to vote.
We don't pass to vote, say we don't expect your own grandchildren. So we congratulate every party when go make this Ogoni, this UNEP report and the cleanup of Ogoni land come out successfully.
Oga Prince, you don't talk well, but I go like again. You say you don't pass the stage where we say now somehow I say now you don't get faith, but I go still go back because my mind is strong. Now, not be the first time when we say one government go start something. You know, there's some people that get starting. Continuation they had, finishing no day at all.
Okay.
And we get the concept of IGG, that is initial gra.
Yeah.
Make it not be saying like, make I do it like this. Now, because Oga Presido don't do his own part. As the president and commander-in-chief of the armed forces, he go they look say, I hope say that thing when I talk, when I do am. The people when they responsible, when they under them, how you take things say we go make them accountable. Make I give another example. No verse, because I know say you won't flow. Now, we don't get situation when we say, Oga President look, say, this thing they bad. Oyamu na do am well. But the people when they there, their bad mind, no do am. You go come be like say the president a bad person. Because I don't want to believe say any leader go they happy saying people they suffer.
Or go they wishing people bad.
Go they wishing people bad because some people go they shield and they go they show a picture. But waiting there the inside, not be waiting there the packet. How you take things say we as a people, F1 as an organization and all other environmental activists go they raise their voice, they shout. Make Nigerians they know say this first 100 years when we don't day at the mercy of God. The next 100 years if things continue to spoil like this, we no go get any country.
Nigeria
how you take things say we go free they raise our voice to so that Mr. President here go still there down to hold those people accountable.
Very well. I like the way you take put them because some people say now from head 9 fish till they spoil.
Not true.
You see why I get that faith when even though it's small like mustard seed, I know say it will come to pass. Why I get that faith for say this action of President Muhammadu Buhari to give life to the UNEP report, to give life to IREP, to give life to the cleanup of Ogoni land, to give light to the possible restoration of the entire Niger Delta, go come to pass because we don't notice say since Oga Buhari sit down for that place, everybody they fear for the country.
People they behave.
People they behave themselves. And you see, that now waiting some of us go look, will smile. They give us confidence. They give us hope. Forget about any area, whether you come from north, you come from south. Forget about all the things where people talk before election. This one now, we don't really see and say, look, once a leader day, when people, they fear, that instruction, when any instruction when you no give,
they go do am. Their mind go tell them to do am.
You see, some people say, I don't want to give some instances, but I dey see the results. Whereby, for example, make I give instances. For example, President Buhari, shortly after they swear, stop in convoy for traffic lights. That action till today, in chief of staff, everybody wey dey in convoy, they respect traffic lights, except say maybe in an emergency situation. Now, many other areas for our economy, you go see say, as some people they enter position now, they even permanent secretary self.
They don't wake up.
Permanent secretary self, they dish out instructions. You they see their activities. So when it comes down, when I narrow this down, this issue of strength of leadership, character, strength of character, I go bring and say that faith when we for the coastal areas of this country get. When I say we, at F1, we represent Nigeria.
True.
But when I say we, I dey narrow and down because I am personally from a coastal area.
True.
And then also we dey discuss about issue of UNEP report and clean up Ogoniland. I believe say this report no go gather dust. I believe say the activities of IREP go step up. I believe say Ogoniland shall be clean again. And I believe that at Eco Restoration Foundation, we go monitor, pressurize, shine torchlight on top anybody when go stop President Muhammadu Buhari's aspiration for a cleaner and better Nigeria.
Oga Prince David Aboyowa Omagomi don't turn Martin Luther King. Not be even dream again, he don't believe. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue to discuss the UNEP report and which way we they go from there. We they come back and see us in the heart.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.